Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com, and welcome. Today, we're going to build your business credit and your personal credit, but it's mainly going to be business credit, and because there is business credit that goes by your personal credit line, and they're going to report to both, it'll help both of them at the same time. But the business credit that you've been waiting for. So please, like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, guys, we're traveling again. I'm at another airport. I got a little layover. So remember that business credit that we've been talking about? That's right, time has come. So stay tuned. We're gonna split this up a little bit, but I'm gonna start right here. Let's start this real quick, real easy, real simple. Business credit. You're gonna need an EIN number for your business. IRS.gov. Get your EIN number. You can get it online. I've had videos about this before. Next up, you're gonna need a business structure. Sure, you can run sole proprietor. Highly recommend LLC, Limited Liability Corporation. That's your next move. Secretary of State website, you can order online. What else are we gonna start with? Once you have those two things, what's next? LLC, you have our Articles of Incorporation, operating agreement, and what are you gonna do? You're going to go down to your bank and open up a bank account. This has nothing to do with business credit, but we're starting from scratch. We're helping everybody out. Some of you are more advanced already have an LLC and are interested in just to get the business credit. But for everybody that's new, who thinks it's hard, I'm letting you know, it's just that simple. Then what do? You go down and hook up yourself with Stripe, PayPal, get those accounts and link them with your business account. Because by the way, PayPal has funding. They call it PayPal credit. As long as you have money that runs through your PayPal account, you can go try to get a loan. And then they take the money out of your account every time to pay it back. Now, without further ado, let's get down to this business credit. Let's just start. It's plain and simple. Some people are thinking that all they have to do is get an LLC. That's not the case. And then you get business credit. It's not that simple. Come on now. If it was that simple, everybody would have a LLC with a business funding and have hundreds of thousands of dollars sitting around at their disposal. It's not like that. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to go to quill.com first. And when you order, you're going to have to order $100 or more. When you're building business credit, you're going to have some money to invest in it. So you're going to get your quill.com account. When you order $100 or more, you need paper, you need ink. Some of that's there. So what are you going to do? Simple. Easy. You order. But you do net 30. When you're going to go check out, there's an option for net 30. So that's how you start off. So you order the product, you wait for it to be delivered. Some of you try to rush and make a payment as soon as, you make the order. No, that's not what you want to do. But before we do all that, you have to go sign up with Dun & Bradstreet. That's number one. Dun & Bradstreet before you order with Quill. Because you're going to need a Dun & Bradstreet number. All right? And no, do not pay $1,500, $2,000. That's not how it works. You can sign up for free. Then they're going to be calling you saying, hey, we have this business model, special dealio. No, you don't have to do nothing. Don't listen to them. Hang up the phone. You have a DNB number. That DNB number and your EIN number is what you're going to give to Quill when you order and fill out the papers online. It's that simple. All right? Now, next up, Grainger. All the links will be down below in the description. So if you don't catch it right now, you can get it later. So Grainger, that's next. Again, you already have your DMB, you have your EIN, same thing. Order $100 or more, net 30 when you order. Next up, Uline, basics.com, same thing, net 30. Wait for the product to come, $100 at least. What's going to happen is there's something called a Paydex score with your DNB, and you're going to have to monitor your DNB. When you get up to 80, then you'll start to be able to advance and start getting into some other cards. So what I was saying, I got that new program that's coming out. Everything I'm telling you right here is the start of the program, except there's a difference. You're going to actually do it yourself. You're going to go online, do it yourself, step by step, so anybody can get their business credit started and get their business funding. And it's going to be $999 for a limited time only. And not only that, if you want me to do it, I don't have a special. Like I said, it'll be $39.99 if you want to call up and say, get me my business credit right, get me business funding. This special of $9.99 is going to be till October 15th. Got about 2 weeks. Now, as I was saying, you want to build your credit? Well, we can do this a couple of ways. Because also along with after the Uline, we're going to need Wells Fargo secured. Unless, of course, your credit score is already decent, you won't need a secured card. You can go to Wells Fargo, and by the way, hit me up so you get DCU so you can get referred, because you want to get your business lined up with DCU Credit Union, Navy Federal Credit Union. Hurry up and hit me up at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com, because they're allowing people to sign up right now. A special deal going on with Navy Federal that's quiet. So hurry up and hit me up on it. Because once you sign up as a personal, you'll be able to get business funding later. Because then you'll just send over your articles of incorporation, LLC information, and then you can open a business account, and then you can get business funding. Keep in mind everything I'm telling you about Uline, Quill, and a few other things. Keep in mind, sometimes it takes 2 or 3 months to post on your DNB. They don't always post in 30, 60 days. I have a little commotion here at the airport late night, so you might hear it as I go by. But bottom line of the story, be patient. The normal time frame I tell everybody to build business credit before you get funding is 6, 7, 8 months. That's why you need to start now. So this is where we're at. So again, we'll keep going right through it, because once you get your secured card, that will now mean you have 4 accounts. And you could do this with other accounts such as Capital One, Spark. They have bad credit, average credit, excellent credit for the Spark card. And again, they'll use your personal credit. And then they will also add it to your Business Experian, Business TransUnion, so you can get all that going on. And I'm watching the escalator a little bit. So here it is late night at the Denver airport, and now I got to get something to eat. Wouldn't this be a great time to be in Houston? Because it doesn't look like they have any food venues open. All right. So some people say, what else do we have to do? You're sitting there saying, well, let me get my LLC, let me get this all started, I need it yesterday. Well, if you need it yesterday, then all I can suggest is, If you have a 700 credit score and above, you can get business funding right now. You're just going to have to use your own personal credit score to get it, otherwise known as a personal guarantee. So if you want to do that, you can get funding. But come on, you got to show you have some revenues, right? Got to show you have a little bit of income coming in for your LLC, right? Let's go with the advanced. Let's say you already have $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $500,000 in revenue, but no business credit. Guess what? You can get funding. You don't even need anything because they'll go off your revenue. Similar to PayPal credit. Forgive the background, since I'm walking through the airport. So you can get your business credit. All depends on who you are and what you're doing. And with the program, it comes with everything step by step. I'll repeat, step by step. This is why the program is good, so you can learn it as you go. So that's what we do.
You're not leaving, are you there?
No.
Okay, just checking.
Yeah, no problem. So, is there any place to eat around here?
I don't know, what's McDonald's I think is the only place that's probably still
McDonald's.
open. I know.
Where am I? I'm in Denver, right?
Huh?
I'm in Denver,
You're in
right?
Denver.
What's wrong with you guys up here?
They just, to be honest with you, at night they just pretty much shut everything down.
Wow. Okay. All right. Then I guess it's McDonald's. Thank you. All right, guys. Bad food choices tonight. But anyhow, back to the business credit. Because there's a myriad of things you can do with business credit. And the program I'm talking about, the reason why it's gonna cost $9.99, and then after that it's gonna be $19.99, is because you get 1 year of support. And I'm not support. That's the thing. That's the beauty of it. So you're going to have 1 year of support where you can call up a person that's going to help you with your credit, your business credit, not personal, and they'll help you. So what more can you want? That's included. And what other bonuses do we have for you? Also in the program, you got 5 years of business finance support. That's right. Once you know this stuff and you need loans, you can make a phone call and you'll have the support for what the underwriters will need. That's worth it. That's worth the price of admission alone. And then we have a bonus. But before I get to the bonus, it's English and Spanish. So therefore, if you speak Spanish, you can have communications with support. English, of course, you have communication with support. And here's the bonus. When you sign up, you get 30 minutes of coaching. That's right. 30 minutes, one time of coaching when you sign up to help get you started fast, quick, on the right track. So it's up to you to make it happen. So again, please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And you know it's hard out here. That's why I started this program. Because even though people contact me occasionally, that's fine. But now we're trying to get to the masses. So now everybody can sign up and use this program to get started the right way in a timely fashion. You'll get your funding 6, 7, 8, 9 months. Some people get it sooner, depending on what you do and how aggressive you want to go for it. So that's all there is to it. We're here to help. Eric at StopStrugglingNow.com. And as I always say, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.